It sort of. So check it out. Adobe has this really great tool. I know. It's Adobe, so we don't want to pay for it. I don't know if you necessarily have to pay for it. I might make a clarification as I'm editing this, but I don't think you'd have to. It's called Enhance Audio. You can feed any audio at it, and it usually fixes it up. So earlier today, I was just scrolling through YouTube, and I found this clip of Haley from Paramore singing Still Into You. Great, amazing song. I love this song. And I was kind of curious. This is recorded off her phone. So, it's not studio quality.
We've been together.
But it's still a decent enough quality.
I need the other one to hold you.
And so this technology, it uses AI to kind of replace and fix audio. So here's just a little sample. This is the Adobe sample.
A conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise.
So get the point. It's mind blowing. So I was just kind of curious though, what if singing? What if we tried singing in this? And so I just went ahead and threw it right in here.
I loved you.
So this is it right here, and then here's
the
thing you're gonna hear in a second.
Your shoulder.
It's.
And so your favorite song we sang along into the start of forever.
It doesn't sound too bad.
'Cause after all this time, I'm still into
It throws a little vibrato on some things.
I should be over all the butterflies.
And right
but
there.
I'm into you. And baby, even on the worst nights, I'm into you. Let them wonder how we got this far.
And so
I don't really need to wonder after all this time.
So it really does try. It really does. But it's not quite there yet. But then again, we have a lot of tools like this one here. It's called la 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 la. I don't know how to pronounce that. LALAL.am. I'm sure there's also tools just like that out there. This is the one that I use. So if we were just to go ahead and grab that song, I'm sure I would get better vocals out of it. So now we got our copy of the song that we were playing with originally. We're going to go ahead and convert it. So as we upload it, you'll see that it's given us
Can count the years on one hand.
something's a lot better
together.
than this.
I need the other one to hold you.
It's giving us a lot better than originally what we had, which was over here.
I'm still into you.
That's great. That's a great dry vocal, but it's got that weird vibrato, and it's a little stuttery.
Make you feel better. It's not a walk in the park.
We're also getting the harmonies here too, which is fine, but
But when our fingers into dark.
Yeah, so it's not. I thought it was an interesting idea to try to take the Adobe podcast tool and throw some singing at it, because I know it's using AI to emulate speech. It's not using AI to emulate vocals. What do you think? Do you think Adobe's onto something here? Do you think that they're going to be able to replicate human singing? Because as this stands right now, I don't. It's there's an opportunity for sure, but when you have tools like
Some things just make sense, and one of those is
right
you
there?
and I. Well, some things just make sense, and even after all this time,
that doesn't sound too bad.
I'm into you.
That doesn't sound too bad. This does sound.
Can't deny, you're worth it.
But that's also like wet. That's wet vocals. You've got a ton of stuff on there. You know, there's a ton that's on there, and a ton of effects. You know, VSTs, plugins, whatever. There's a ton that's on there. So it's also a YouTube rip because I didn't have the track on me. But you know, I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Cheers.